stove, here's the step to take. 1. Stay calm. Try to remain calm, assess the situation. 2. Control bleeding. Apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or bandage to stop any bleeding. If the bleeding is severe, elevate the injured area if possible and continue applying pressure. 3. Clean the wound. Wash the bite with soap and clean running water. Use a mild soap, not harsh chemicals, to clean the area, but don't scrub too hard.
Pinapilay mo sa camera. I-cover na dahil sa